So this is the second time I'm actually recording this, but luckily it's just a quick tip video. I was stupid enough not to actually plug in my microphone, so I was talking to nothing. Anyway, so this is something I probably should have started using earlier. It's the content browser. It's basically a way to store any presets you have. So if you make a material such as water and you like the way it looks and you want to use it over and over again for different projects, this way you can just store it in there and have it at the ready to just pluck out and use. So as for example, I'm going to bring on this Taurus. If you go to Window, Content Browser, click on Presets, and then let me see if I remember. Yeah, New Preset Library. Name it anything you want. It's not a very imaginative name, but yeah, my presets. And then all you have to do is drag it from this browser here into the content browser, and then you have it there to be able to use at any point you want. And in the case of let's say you have multiple things you want to, I guess, use, well, you want to store, all you do is create a null object. So I'm just going to press Alt G, and then you can drag it in there, and you can see it's really odd looking shape. But yeah, you can see I've got it stored in there, ready to use. I can drag it out whenever I need it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Very handy tip which I've not used but gonna start using now.